Welcome to all of you in this video. Our today's topic is Standard 9 subject English and lesson number 1.4, the story of tea. See, this topic, the story of tea, is about the most widely consumed beverage after water, that is tea. So in this video there is detailed explanation or description about tea and the history of tea, types of tea, how tea plant grows, that information is given here, which contents are available in tea, that is also explained here. Also advantages and disadvantages of tea, and the scientific name of tea and scientific information is also given here in this lesson. Then how tea invented first, or how tea found first, and how tea spread all over the world, that all information is given here in this lesson. So keep watching to understand this lesson, and let's start. Now we are going to watch unit number 1.4, the story of tea, and we are going to solve warming up activity or chit-chat activity. If you have seen your page number 17, and this is warming up activity, and in chit-chat activity there are 5 questions, and which they are: see, first one, can you make tea? Second one, how do you make tea? Third one, what brand do you like? Fourth one, at home, who makes tea, coffee for everybody? And last one, have you seen a tea plantation? What was it like? So these are the questions. Now let's discuss on answers of these questions. See, our first question is, can you make tea? Students, it is verbal type question. You can give answer of this question is like yes or no. If you know how to make tea, then you can say yes, I can make tea. And if you don't know how to make tea, then you can say no, I can't make tea. Our next question is, how do you make tea? Now let's learn how to make tea. But before that, do you know what ingredients needs to make tea? See, we want water, milk, sugar, tea powder, ginger for flavor. Okay, let's see how to make tea. Okay, let's see. First, for making tea, what ingredients needs? Let's make tea for 2 persons. First, we want water, then tea powder, then if you want add some flavor, then just put ginger in it, and here sugar and 1 cup of milk. So let's start step by step how to make tea. First, keep the pot on flame or on gas. Then pour 1 cup of water. Then add here 2 teaspoons of tea powder. And now see, the color is changing of that water. See, now the mixture is boiling. Then if you like it, add some ginger for flavor. Now a pleasant smell or fragrance is coming. So after boiling this mixture, you can add 1 cup of milk in that tea. You can add a milk while just pouring water also. It is my way. You can add whenever you want that milk in tea. See, now this mixture is boiling, and now here is ready our tea. Okay, now take a strainer and filter or sieve the tea. And here is ready our 2 cup of tea, and now you can enjoy this tea with biscuits or some snacks. Thank you. While making tea, I have given there some steps. Please pause this video and note down all 7 steps of making tea. Now our next question is what brand do you like? You can give answer of this question is I like the brand Sahyadri tea, Society tea, Taj tea, etc. You can see there are thousands of brands in market. You can write name which you like. Our next question is at home who makes tea, coffee for everybody? See, according to me, most of time our mother makes tea or coffee for everybody, and you can write your own answer. Our last question is have you seen a tea plantation? What was it like? So if you have seen, then you can say yes, I have seen tea plantation. Or if you have not seen, you can say no, I haven't seen tea plantation. But see, on the screen backside it is a tea plantation, and we are going to see detailed videos related with this tea plantation while teaching this unit, the story of tea. And for that, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get latest video notification. Our next question is write the names of as many beverages as you can within 2 minutes. What do the following beverages remind you of? Draw word waves to show your associations. And first one is given here, tea. Now think the describing words or describing objectives which shows color, quality, feel, aroma, taste, etc. See, related words with the word tea is biscuits, cup, then sugar, milk, then toast. There are so many words related with tea. You can write kettle, coffee, sieve, brew, saucer. You write as many words as you can within 2 minutes. Our next word is coffee. So we can write words related with coffee is mug. Then we remind cafe, black coffee or coffee beans. Our next word is lime juice. Related words of the lime juice is summer, then glass, lemon, sugar or water. Go ahead, next word is coconut water. See, related with coconut water, beach, tender coconut, then sheep, then sweet and coconut tree. Our next word is lassi. Okay, see, related words with lassi is cold, then thick, milk, straw and curd. And our last word is milk. See, related words of milk is morning. We remind morning, and we remind cream, then baby, glass, milkshake. We remind tea, cow, goat, dairy, cheese or butter. There are so many words which are related with milk. So like this way you just write as many as words within 2 minutes and compare your way with those of your friends and add more words to your vocabulary. Thank you. Within upcoming 2 days I am going to publish video of lesson The Story of Tea, and there I will explain whole lesson in detail with unfamiliar word and with in-text questions also. जर तुम्ही अजूनही माझा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलेला नसेल तर पुढचे व्हिडिओ जेव्हा मी पब्लिश करेन त्या व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला मिळावी आणि माझ्याबरोबर प्रीमियर शो लाईव्ह क्लास जॉईन करता यावा यासाठी नक्कीच तुम्ही माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. And for that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share and comment this video. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.